Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create Skype account on laptop. So as you may know that Skype has been discontinued, but they have now introduced a new software called Microsoft Teams. Now it is an alternative of Skype. Now to download Microsoft Teams, what you have to do is open Microsoft Store and search for Teams on the search bar. And here you'll be able to see a free application called Microsoft Teams. Simply click on install. Your Microsoft account will be the default account to create or sign up. If you do not have Microsoft account, you have to sign up for Microsoft account in order to use Microsoft Teams. You can also try to use your old Skype account, so much data of your previous Skype account. Now, if you want all of that data back on Microsoft Teams, you can also try signing in with your Skype account as well. Now, once you're signed in, you have successfully created a Skype aka Microsoft Teams account on your laptop. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.